Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Burlington. We're gonna check out some sales and some Valentine's Day decor. So let's get to it. They have these cute little jewelry. I really love this red one, this guest bracelet. Let's see if it has pricing on it. Gotta open it up. More of these bracelets. We have these cute little perfume sets here. Lotion gift set. We got the soaps. Cute little boxes, a little gnome. This is a really cute decor for $15. This nice little mirror. This one says Hello Gorgeous. Open up a little jewelry box. This is $12.99. And look at this cute gnome. It's really big. And this one is $10.99. Really cute. There's some candles and love sign. Cute little hat and glove set and some flowers. So they have some cute date night purses. That one's $20. This is really sparkly and pretty. How much is that one, Lex? This one's $20 as well. They have some cute wallets. A lot of different ones. PS. Oh, I'm sorry. This is Paris. I'm all stupid. $5.99. They have the EXO one. Look at this bright red one. This is so pretty. They have this little guest one, it's red. This one's really cute, Juicy Couture one. That one's $8.99.
This is also a guest one.
Cute. This pink blingy one is $17. A little EXO one. This one's $14.99. Gray. You have this little flower one, this other pink one. I'm just trying to show you like the ones that pop that are pink and red for Valentine's. This is really cute, and this comes with a little change purse, a card holder, and this one, the card holder is $8.99, and the purse itself is $20. So I'm sorry, they're separate, but really cute. This little Reebok bright pink book bag, and this is cute for the kids. This one's $20 as well. This is a nice little gift set for your wife or girlfriend, or anyone special in your life, and this is only $16.99. And this comes with so much stuff. You got the slippers and the lotions and the bath bombs. This one is pretty too. This one is $15 as well. Lex, what do you have?
So you open it like this, and then you can take these out of that.
Oh, that's cute. And that's only 20 bucks. That's really nice to organize it. It has a lock on it.
And then
Cute. They have these head wraps, spa kits. This one is $5.99. They have more little travel makeup kits or for your home. Lex found these really cute boots for Valentine's Day for a fancy little date. There's no price on them though. They have these ones with the pearls on them. Enzo has some sneakers. So they have more of the black boots, fancy dress shoes. We have some Tommy duck boots. We have them in silver too, like the red ones Lex showed you. And the fur ones, and some more duck boots. These are really cute and warm, and these ones are marked on clearance. These are marked down to $16. So they're really cute and cozy. These are open toe. These are really fancy too. These ones are marked down to $12, and these are the black boots. Really cute. Oh, here's some more of the red ones. Let's see if these ones have a price on them. They are marked down for 20 bucks. So these are adorable. And these ones are fancy for dress shoes. And they also have the red ones. And these are marked down too for $17.88. Look how nice those fur ones are. Found this cute cozy robe for $20. It's nice and soft. I'm gonna go over here. They have some lingerie and some silk nightgowns. Some ones with the hearts. And they have the Juicy Couture ones. So these are $20 as well. They have a light pink and a purple. They have these nice puffer jackets as well. And let's see, they're $29.99. Oh my goodness, these just caught my eye. Look how cute these are for $4.99. You have anybody know this having a little girl? They're so cute. They have cute ones. I love little girl baby shoes. They're so adorable. Look at these little boots marked down for $11.99. They have these Juicy Couture boots. These are $10.39 on sale. These are so cute and so warm. Love them. These are marked down for $14.88. So they have a lot of stuff that's on sale and marked down. Let's check over on the big sizes. My daughter wears this size 2, so we're always looking to try to find hers. Look at these ones. These are little snow boots. They have DKNY shoes. These ones boots are so cute. These are marked down for $13.79. They're really nice. They have some glitter ones. These are on sale for $9.79. So check out all your clearance stuff. These duck boots are mad cute. I love them. $11.99. Look at this crazy girl trying to try on these high heels, thinking she's grown when she's not. Take them off, girl, before you break your neck. They have some of these little boy slippers on clearance for $4.19 and $6.49. Jurassic Park ones. Mickey. So some of them are marked down, some of them are not. They have these little Echo boots on sale for $11.99. It's a good deal. Some more boots, sneakers. Just trying to see if any of the clearance pop out to show you. But they have such a good selection. They have the red ones over here. They have the Nike slides on sale for $14.99. Going on vacation or just around the house. Good deal. Dress shoes for $8.99. They have these nice little throw blankets for $12.99. Really pretty. This one has the rainbows on it. This one's really cute with the teddy bears and the cups. And they have this cute little gnome one. Pink ones. I love these pillows. I have them and they last such a long time. It's a really nice selection of big comfy pillows in here. These cute little wine glasses with the face mask. They're $7.99. And these cute little glasses. This one's with the gems. That's $4.99. Little cocoa bombs for $4.99. These cute little Valentine slippers. Memory foam ones, and these are $8.99, just so I could check them. And they have some black ones. And they have nice little body sprays here. And we got the little fake eyelashes and cute little wallets. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. They didn't have a lot of stuff out yet. I will be checking back, but at least they have some great clearance items. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.